Here's a performance truck, just in a unique, especially in classics. 2018 Shadow Black Ford F-150 Super Crew Raptor. This particular vehicle has a little over 30,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I've not seen any signs of paint work. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of it, interior, bed, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Probably close to 100 pictures online of this truck. Right down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. This truck came to us out of Nebraska. And as you can see by the front grille, front of the hood here, paint's looking good. I mean, you might have a few real light rock chips that have been touched up, but they're few and far in between. Black paint, good condition, as you can see up and down the side of this. And check out the reflection wall behind me. So nice luster to the paint. Of course, this is powered by a 3.5 liter twin turbo engine, putting out 450 horse, 510 pound-feet of torque. And the thing that you always hear raved about on these, talked about on these, is just the astonishing suspension, how well they handle on and off the road. Become very, very popular trucks. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. You'll want to double check with your sales associate when you call in or email. Beautiful leather bucket seats, actually 10-way heated bucket seats in the front. That 3.5 liter would be paired with a 10-speed automatic with paddle shift on the wheel transmission. It does have bed liner, Trail FX liner, it looked like there. And again, you'll be able to check out the underside pics of this, interior pics. We're going to start it up so you can hear it run, check out the interior. But those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, just click on the link down below the video. And again, you can see the luster in the paint, reflection in the showroom behind me. Did notice there was one light kind of scratch right there. Riding on BF Goodrich radials. There's part of the contributing factor to such a great suspension is those Fox shocks and how they're tuned for these trucks. Let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. Of course, these are extremely loaded as far as option wise. Of course, your typical locks, windows, power mirrors. You also have adjustable pedals down here, power mirrors for folding in and out. Your 10-way leather power seats, and again, heated. All the steering wheel controls, and again, that paddle shift. Let's go ahead and start this up. You'll hear it run. Check out the exact miles. Of course, the display screen for the stereo. You grab the key. There's your exact miles too, if you can see that, 30,954. Of course, you'd have all your audio options and your Bluetooth and your phone and everything that's modern on the stereos. Of course, 4-wheel automatic, 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low. Your HVAC system. Again, steering wheel controls. No warning indicators, engine lights, anything like that on. Auxiliary switches and everything above, if you can see those. Dash in good condition. No cracks, fading. Very quiet cabin too. Cannot really hear a lot outside of this truck with it running. Very quiet cabin. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. I did not notice as far as looking like anything had been modified, so it looks like everything is stock underneath this as it would have came from Ford. Nothing stood out to me doing the underside pictures. I'll give you where you can see those one more time before we go here. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Just want to show you the engine bay quick also. And
hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
very clean and tidy under here. Again, hood liner clean. Does not look like this truck's really been driven in much for inclement weather. It's out of Nebraska, southern South Dakota area. That twin turbo, 3.5 liter, again, 450 horse in these trucks. See how smooth it runs, quiet it sounds, how clean that engine bay is, well taken care of truck. So you go, 2018 Ford F-150 Super Crew Raptor, Shadow Black, a little over 30,000 miles, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.